Okay, back to the 305. We cleaned it up that day, and now we drain the oil, drain the filter, put the filter back on, and we are going to the brake cleaner that we cleaned it with left a little bit of rust residue in that, but now we're going to throw some tranny fluid in it. We've got a gauge hooked up to it, so we will prime it and see if the tranny fluid can't clean some stuff out of the motor, and see if we got oil pressure. So we'll go from there. Go ahead and start pouring her in. Yep. Let that run for a minute. We'll shut it off and get it ready to prime. So we're going to put about 4 or 5 liters of tranny fluid in it. The reason we're using tranny fluid is it's got lots of detergents and stuff in it, so the idea is it'll scrub the inside of the motor some and clean it up. And we got a drill with a primer, and it's got like a distributor base on it, so it'll actually run through the holes there in the lifter valley and have it so the oil pumps up top. So we'll prime it here in a little bit and see how it goes. See if we got oil pressure. So what's in there now? 3?
Yeah, 3 in that little tiny one. I think you got the last one, yeah.
Yeah, you gotta go off.
Yeah, I couldn't get mine either. Oh, it's
Okay. We'll prime away. You want it ready? Yep. Okay. We shot some out there, so we found a hole that we need to plug. We exited a little bit out the one side hole that you can also use for your oil pressure gauge there. See that? But yeah, we made a bit of a mess, so we'll be back and grab a plug for that.